Hi everyone, especially to mommies all over the world. Welcome back to a new session on Mitch's Cucina. Are you having trouble feeding your kids with vegetable? I understand how it feels. You know when you need to do all the dramas just for them to eat veggies? Worry no more, Michi got your back. To make it look appealing to your kids' eyes, we have to grate all the vegetables. We just need to mix all our ingredients. Make sure that it's well mixed to make the taste even. Get a spoonful of the mixed veggies and put it to our lumpia wrapper, then roll it. We just need to continue doing it until we finish all the mixture. Next, ready your pan with cooking oil. It would be better if you deep fry your veggie raw. Wait until it turns golden brown. And you can now serve your cheesy veggie roll with your favorite sauce. For you not to miss the upcoming videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. See you next time!